Good afternoon, staff at Taronga Zoo. Today we will be presenting our ideas for the lion enclosure to be built at the zoo. My name is Alison Martin.
My name is Asma Merchant.
And my name is Eliza Shepherd.
And we are currently in Year 2 at Mount Franklin Catholic School. To begin, we needed to research the physical characteristics of a lion as well as its lifestyle needs. Here is our poster that we created based on what we found. We needed to know about the lion before we created its enclosure. We found out that lions are quite large, meaning that they will need a lot of space to walk around. We also discovered that lions can weigh up to 250 kilos, meaning that they must need lots of food to survive. After researching, we discovered that lions use their paws and claws to hunt their prey. Lions have great eyesight, which is used for hunting at night, and they also have sharp teeth, which are used to tear meat apart. Lions are carnivores, meaning that they eat meat. During the day, lions sleep under trees and logs. They like to rest in the shade and enjoy drinking lots of water if it's available. Lions spend most of their day sleeping or by socializing with other lions in their pride.
This is our design to be proposed for the building of the new enclosure for the lions. Before we began designing our enclosure, we had to refer to our research we conducted in the previous activities. This way we could ensure that the needs of the lions were being met. In our design, we have included a water source in the corner of the enclosure for the lions to drink from. We chose to put it in the corner because lions need a big open space to roam around during the day when they are not sleeping. Lions typically live in grass and shrubland, so that is why we have included a bit of both. We have also included scattered trees for lions to take shade under. These have been randomly placed to replicate the savanna grassland that they usually live in. We have also included a log area for the lions to rest by. That also has a tree to provide some shade close by. Lions typically spend most of their time sleeping. To protect the lions and the visitors, we would like to design our enclosure to be below ground level so that the lions are enclosed by a high concrete wall and that the visitors can look down and see the lions in their natural habitat.
In groups, we also brainstormed the many different ways that technology can be used in an animal enclosure. The idea that we came up with is to use a drone to transport their food into the enclosure. Lions are very big animals with sharp claws to kill their prey and teeth as sharp as scissors. By using a drone to transport their food, the interaction between humans and lions is limited, keeping both the zookeepers and lions safe and happy. The drone could also be used to take pictures and make observations of the lions that would be impossible without it. Zookeepers can keep an eye on the animals to make sure they are thriving and living the best life possible.
We hope you like our design idea and hope it helps you in creating an enclosure for the lions coming to your zoo soon. Thank you.